Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a brief overview of SAP Concur. Now, this video will have everything you need to get started with SAP Concur, anything you need to know before you go and try out their services. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So here, we just need to type in concur.com and we should be able to see their main landing page right here. And if you already have an account, then of course you can log in via this button, or you can actually go and request for a demo. So if you request for a demo, there are three ways to see their solution in action. So right here, you can either take a 5-minute tour for either expense tour or invoice tour. These are self-guided tours, but nevertheless, there is some sort of assistance so that you can briefly see what they're about. They also have on-demand demos. So if you have around 30 minutes, then you can watch their in-depth on-demand videos or demos from their expert team. So it can either be the expense demo or invoice demo. And finally, if you want a more personalized or customized demo, then you can request for a demo for a deeper dive and a demo that's tailored specifically to your business needs. All right, so before we get started, SAP Concur is basically a leading provider of integrated travel, expense, and invoice management solutions designed to simplify business processes, enhance visibility, and improve compliance. So right off the bat, the key features of SAP Concur is expense management, which basically supports or allows for automated expense reporting and tracking, mobile receipt capture with OCR or optical character recognition, policy compliance reinforcement or enforcement rather during expense submission, and integration with corporate credit cards for automatic expense matching. They also have travel management, which is integrated travel booking platform. And of course, they also have partnerships with major travel suppliers for better rates, travel policy enforcement during booking, and real-time travel expense updates. And then the third one, which is invoice management, which basically supports or promotes automated invoice capture and processing, integration with accounts payable systems, three-way matching of purchase orders, invoices, and receipts, as well as supplier management and payment tracking. Now, apart from these three core features, they also have mobile capabilities, so you have full access to travel expense and invoice functionalities via mobile apps. And there's also real-time notifications for approvals and compliance alerts, and offline functionality for data entry and updates. For integration and analytics, they have seamless integration with ERP systems such as SAP for HANA and Oracle. And you also see some of their partners right here. They also have advanced reporting and analytics tools for spend visibility, configurable dashboards to track compliance, and cost-saving opportunities. Now let's try to go in-depth on their three core features. So we have the Concur Expense. So in Concur Expense, you can see here that this allows you to speed up back office processes, reimburse employees faster, avoid errors, and many other features. So let's try to check this 4 key benefits here. So the 4 key benefits of Concur Expense. SAP Concur solutions help empower companies through important business moments to help them run better. Okay, so you can download the resource for this particular article if you want to know more about that. Now here, you can automate expense management. So expense automation speeds up the review, processing, payment, and auditing of expense claims, making it easier for finance to manage expenses and budget effectively. So you can also request a quote here, and you can also check their essential guide to expense management. They also have this short video right there, available on YouTube for 3.5 minutes, or right, 3.5 minutes if you want to check that out. All right, so that's what we have, or what they have for Concur expense. They also have an IDC report here if you want to check that out. You can also have a customized ROI report. You can check their ROI calculator right over here. We're going to try to check this out real quick. All right, so you have here number of expense claims, how many employees at your company submit expense claims, and employees, time to process, how long does it take a manager to review and approach each claim, how long does it take your finance team to review and process each claim, and then value of expense claim. Then you can calculate final results, and then you're just gonna have to fill in the details right here so that you can get the results. So they can actually do that for you, which is very convenient. And this is just from the website itself. This is not yet the exact software or app. All right, so again, you can integrate seamlessly with your existing finance systems. So you can learn more about integrations right here. Just gonna check this out real quick. So this is for integrations for SAP Concur solutions. You can also get their brochure if you'd like. Visit their app center and learn more about their partners. So let's try to check their app center so that we can get a grasp or just a quick glance at the partners and integrations that Concur SAP has. If it's gonna load up, there you go. Asking for cookie consent. All right. Just gonna let that load up for a bit. And here we have their app center. You can see that they actually have an extensive list for their integrations. You have the Concur for mobile. We have a bunch of airlines here. Hertz, Uber, Amazon Business for enterprise applications. So apart from having an extensive list of integrations, they also have it categorized as well so that it'll be easier for you to navigate the integration. So feel free to check this out. All right, so that's for the SAP Concur App Center. I'm going to try to head back to our main page right here. So we went to Concur Expense. Let's try to check Concur Travel. Open this in a new tab right here. All right, so again, Concur Travel helps travelers book within policy, and it helps reduce your financial risk and allows you to provide good duty of care. You can request pricing or see business travel trends. They have a video here in case you want to check that out. It can help solve common travel challenges. All right, you can create a travel and expense super system for your business. They have a brief preview here of SAP Concur in action for travel related processes, basically. All right, so that's it. You can see their travel partners here as well as the integrations, which we just checked a while ago. And then finally, let's quickly check Concur Invoice, where you can automate and empower accounts payable. There's 5 benefits of Concur Invoice brochure you can check. You can have this downloaded. And then increase your profitability with AP automation. So you have an essential guide to AP automation, and they have a preview video of how invoices work in the app. So just check this out. And similar to what we saw a while ago, ROI calculator is also showcased here. And that's pretty much what we have for the key features of SAP Concur. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.